Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove black background from copy pasted ChatGPT text. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open ChatGPT. So let me try any prompt. Write essay about school, and let me open the WPS in which we can check background. So let me copy this from here. Let me open Word. So here you can see that when I post, there is a black box behind this. So how you can remove that? You simply need to go on to the Chrome Web Store, open that, and search for superpower ChatGPT, and you need to add this extension to your Chrome. Click on add extension, and in few seconds this extension will be added into your Chrome browser. So here you can see that it is now added, and let me refresh ChatGPT. So here write essay about school, hit enter. So it will start generating. So here you can see different options. So if you want to get rid of black background, you simply need to, once it is when it is writing now, so let me wait for a few seconds so that ChatGPT will finish that, and after that I'm going to show you how you can do. So wait for a few seconds. So here you can see different options. You simply need to copy that. Let me open WPS, and here you can see that there is no box like this behind this text. So this is the process by which you can remove black background from copy pasted ChatGPT text. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.